Well, shine your light.
Well, you didn't tell me to do that.
Common sense, Gina. Why are you running, Gina? Okay, guys, so as you all know, or maybe you don't know, but I'm about to tell you right now, we live by the woods. Now, it's a dark night, as you can see, and it's kind of like thundering and lightning a little bit. So it's a super spooky. I know the wind is like strong, so I apologize if you can't hear us well. But I thought it would be the perfect night to do a story time about something that actually happened to me. Did you hear something? Don't leave me, Gina! Gina!
Why'd you have to go so close to the woods? Why couldn't you have moved? Mom!
Okay, stop freaking out, Gina. Okay, so it was one night. I was on patrol, right? And it was in the north side of our city. Now, this happened to me in a part by a famous area called SeaWorld, right? Now, I didn't know at the time, but I looked it up later, and there are really weird sightings out in this area.
Mom,
If you
let's
run
get away from the woods, please.
No, let me finish talking.
I feel like something is in the woods.
Gina,
Oh my god.
stay with me, Gina. Give me your arm.
Something right there.
Oh. What? Okay, well, let me hurry up and tell the story. And quit running because I'm here by myself. Give me your
What
arm.
if you die? You want me to die with you?
Yes, give me your arm. Gina. Okay. So it was dark like this. I'm not going to let go of your arm because you're going to run.
Then I'm gonna sprint.
No. Gina, it's the...
No, that scared me.
Okay, let's move a little bit more this way. What was that?
What?
No, but did you hear that screech? Okay, I'm not gonna lie, that had me shook. Did you hear that?
And I left you to die.
A lot of people said that it was because of it being out in the woods so far out north, being by an area that isn't really populated, out by SeaWorld, and they have animals and stuff, and maybe some of them escape. I don't know. How many times are you gonna leave me alone?
Like 3.
Like 3, so you have it figured out in your head. Okay, so I went out and I had my flashlight and everything, and I was looking at this really big building, and it had really big like columns, right? And it went under this roofed area. And when I came up on it, I was like shining my light around the column, and there was like a lot of bird poop, like big bird poop, like not little like quarter-sized bird poop. I mean, it was bigger than my hand, splattered on the floor. And I was like, that's kind of weird. Like, why would that be there, right? So then I start like shining my light up the column, and like it's dripping down this column, and I'm like, gross. Number one, where are they barking at?
He's barking towards the woods because I see him looking over there.
When I shine my light up, because there was this like really dark corner, I shine my light up there, and I see, oh my God, that noise keeps freaking me out. I shine my light up there. That scared me.
Oh, be.
It made me choke. So I shined my light up there and I thought it was two people. Sitting under this roofed area, but it wasn't. It was two big black birds. And when I say big, you can imagine they looked like two people sitting down next to each other. It was really weird. And their backs were facing towards me. So I was like, what? And so I shined my light up there, and all of a sudden one of them turned and it looked at me. I like freaked because its eyes were red. And it was like, it wasn't a vulture, because I've seen a vulture before and it wasn't a vulture. This bird was like, if you can imagine a crow body and neck and everything, but like an oversized crow. Like a really, really oversized crow. It was weird. And the face was nothing like I had seen before. All of a sudden, I heard like big wings like going, like flapping. And I was like, oh. So like, I didn't know like if I was gonna be carried away by these huge birds.
Because what if they run around? Because it's dark. What is that? What was that?
It was white. It looked like somebody walking down the street.
Why did you touch me?
Because I got scared. Man, why are we seeing all kind of freaky stuff right now? Scaring out of me.
Just go on with your story and I'll just keep looking around.
Okay. That scared me because it would look like somebody walking, like in white. These big old things screeched. But when they screeched, it sounded like a lady screaming. It didn't sound like a bird. This sounded like something human. It was so freaky. So once I heard the wings flapping, once the first one started to take off, the second one started to take off. So I just saw both of them, and like literally I ducked down because I was like, oh my God, I seriously was so terrified. Like my blood ran cold and I got chills all over my body because I thought that these things were gonna carry me away into the woods out there. being out here by these woods is super freaky and scary and creepy as hell. So
I ran several times.
that's why Gina bailed on me a couple of times. And trust me, I was terrified, but I just didn't want to look around. So you can't help but feel like with the woods behind you, like there's something like, I don't know if it's just me, but do you get the feeling like that something's watching you? Like it's really freaking creepy. Like I don't even know how to explain.
I feel like I'm gonna hear those wings.
Don't say that. If you like this video and want us to do more of these video story times, give us a thumbs up, share the video with your friends, and let us know down in the comments if you like this video or not. All right, guys. We're gonna get going because it's scary out here. Thanks for watching.